The simple logic behind gaining muscle weight is to eat in caloric surplus to support muscle growth. And most important of that is that these calories must be healthy, must come from sufficient percentage of each of the macronutrients to produce the best results for your body. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the best channel for those who are wanting to gain weight by lifting weights and building healthy muscle weight. You know you need to eat high calories to be able to get thick, but where do these calories come from and how much of carbs, protein, fats you must intake every single day to see those results? If that is where your confusion lies, and if you don't know how much of what you should eat and what is the best composition of all of these macronutrients to be able to produce the best results that you want, then this is the perfect video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to talk about what are macronutrients, how many calories does each of these macronutrients hold, and how much of these macronutrients one must consume every single day to gain weight. Now, why is it important to understand these macronutrients? Because if you don't, then you might end up storing unnecessary fat on random unwanted places of your bodies. So we have to make sure that we do the process right so that we can make the process of gaining healthy muscle weight as smooth and as effective as possible. My channel is all about lifting weights, eating in caloric surplus to gain healthy muscle weight, to get thick. So please note that the breakdown that I'm going to share with you guys today must be paired with good weightlifting. So if you're someone who chooses not to work out, then probably this is not the best breakdown for you guys. But yes, if you are lifting weights and working out hard every single day or at least 4 to 5 times a week, then this is the perfect video for you guys. Let's begin by knowing what are macronutrients. So you guys have heard of protein, carbs, and fats, and these three together make macronutrients. Now, 1 gram of protein as well as 1 gram of carbs will give you 4 calories each, whereas 1 gram of fats will give you about 9 calories. Now, out of these three, I am sure you guys have heard a lot about protein, since this is what you hear on all online platforms, that you must eat protein, this protein, that protein, and all that kind of stuff. Yes, if you are weightlifting to build muscle, protein is going to be a friend, but so is carbohydrates and so is fats. And especially if you're lifting weights for the purpose of getting thick or gaining weight, then carbs are equally important as protein. Let me start by sharing the percentage of these macronutrients that one must consume every single day, but we'll talk about why you need this much later on in this video. So the breakdown that I recommend is you need at least 40% of your daily calories from carbohydrates, about 35% from protein, and rest of the calories can come from healthy fats. Yes, muscles are all protein, and that is exactly what they need to grow. But the process of muscle growth requires sufficient amount of energy, that is glucose, to be able to build and recover those muscles. And that is where our carbohydrates come into play. So if you neglect those carbohydrates or don't eat in sufficient amount, then what's going to happen is that during the process of muscle building, your muscles will look for energy, and if they can't find, then they will start breaking down your muscles to get that energy, and that's the last thing what you want. So you want to consume enough carbohydrates every single day so that your muscles have everything that they need to continue with the muscle building process. Now, you want to eat around 4 to 5 grams of carbs per kg body weight, which means a 50 kg person will need a minimum of 200 grams of carbohydrates every single day to gain muscle weight. Now, the basic carb sources which are so easy for us to consume daily is rice, pasta, roti, oats, potatoes, sweet potatoes, or whatnot. These are the things that we mostly consume on daily basis anyways, and which is why if you have seen this video of mine, you will know why I don't recommend mass gainers over whey protein, because you're already eating your carbs here. You don't really need a mass gainer, which is more like a supplement for carbs instead of protein. So answering again for you that you should choose whey protein over mass gainers, I do have a link in the description box below if you would like to invest in a whey protein, as that can do wonders for you in the long run. Moving on to protein. Now, as I said previously in the video as well, that our muscles are basically protein, and that is exactly what they need to grow. So when you do weightlifting, you are basically tearing your muscle fibers first, and then to be able to repair them and to be able to tie those broken muscle fibers, it needs muscle strands so that it can tie it all together and grow. And that is exactly why we must provide enough protein to our body every day so that it can produce those muscle strands for muscle repair and recovery. So if you're lifting weights to get thick to gain muscle weight, then you should focus on having at least 1.7 grams to 2 grams of protein per kg body weight every single day. which means a person with 50 kg weight will need a minimum of 85 grams of protein every single day. Moving on to healthy fats. Now, fats are equally important in our diet, and that's why we must make sure that we consume at least 25% of healthy fats every single day to be able to absorb all the nutrients that we consume from our macronutrients, fruits and vegetables every single day. So to ensure that you're getting the most out of all the macronutrients, fruits and vegetables that you eat, you must make sure that you consume enough healthy fats every single day. So during this weight gain and muscle building process, you need at least 1 to 2 grams of fats per kg body weight every single day, which means for a person who weighs about 50 kgs will need at least a minimum of 50 grams of healthy fats every day. Some sources of healthy fats are our nuts such as walnuts, peanuts, almonds, cashews and things like that, as well as plant seeds such as flax seeds, chia seeds, as well as your oils such as olive oils, coconut oils and things like that. So make sure you're including all of these things in your diet regularly. So this is the basic breakdown of macronutrients one must consume every single day if you are in the process of building muscle to gain weight. So the simple formula that I'm going to give you today so that you can do all of this for yourself is basically just calculate your total daily energy expenditure. I have left a link in the description box below. So go there and calculate the amount of calories you are burning every single day, which includes the calories that you burn during any physical activity as well as the workouts that you do during a day. Once you have those calories, add about 300 to 500 calories more on top of those calories so that you can gain muscle, gain weight. And once you have that final number, then you need to break that number down into 40% carbs, 35% protein and 25% fats, and there you go. That's the number of calories and that's the number of macronutrients you must consume every single day to start seeing results in this process. In my weight gain program, the first step that we do once a client joins a program is we jump on a consultation call. Now this call is the most important call because this is where I ask them their goals, their physical activities, their appetite and things like that, so that I can apply the exact same formula to prepare their meal plans, so that I'm making sure that they're eating enough calories from every single one of the macronutrients every single day. And that is exactly why my clients have successfully been able to gain from 2 kgs to 6 kgs weight in my 6 weeks weight gain program. So when I say this formula works, it works. So go ahead, prepare this and follow this consistently for at least 4 weeks to be able to start noticing any kind of changes. And don't forget, this breakdown works for those who are lifting weights and challenging themselves in their workouts to be able to gain healthy muscle weight. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do so because I share a lot of daily weight gain information over there, as well as any offers or specials that I run on my program. So make sure you follow me there because I recently ran a discount offer for my weight gain program, which of course, if you don't follow me there, you may have missed that, but that's totally fine. Make sure you follow me there so that you can stay updated with what's going on and you can go through your weight gain journey with me up close and personal. Hope you found this video helpful and will start following the process that I've shared today. And I will see you in my next video on Tuesday with our first workout video of 2021. So make sure you're ready, you have ordered your weights and everything like that. Of course, all the information for weight sets and protein and everything are in the description box below. So order yourself some and get ready to start 2021 on a really positive and a strong note. And I just cannot wait to share the first workout of 2021 with you guys next Tuesday. So stay tuned at 5 p.m. IST. Till then, look after yourself. Bye guys.